Hello and welcome back to Teal Bites. I'm Radhika and I'm back with another thought provoking episode of Teal Bites today. We have the privilege of hosting Mr. Subash Singh Punjabi, CISO and Head Enterprise Architecture at Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Limited. Subhash is an accomplished leader with over 31 years of experience in strategic IT planning and innovation and is recognized for deploying cutting edge technologies, building high performance teams, and driving successful global initiatives. He's a recipient of multiple prestigious awards, including SAP Best Run Award, CISO of the Year, and Innovative CIO of the Year, with a proven track record of delivering transformative business outcomes. Subhash, a very warm welcome, and it's great to have you with us today.
Yeah, thank you very much, Radhika. And it's a great honor for me to express my views on this particular thing, the digital transformation, what should you want. And thanks for the introduction.
Thank you so much, Subhash. We are really looking forward, to having your insights on digital transformation. Subhash, so today, I would like to get your perspective on as digital transformation reshapes the manufacturing landscape, how do you envision the integration of Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT, AI, and robotics in creating smart factories that balance efficiency with sustainability and workforce empowerment? Your views, please, Subhash.
Very good question. And this topic is just an emerging topic near about all the manufacturing companies are embracing Industry 4.0. And what I feel, Radhika, is nowadays Industry 4.0 or whatsoever about digital transformation, smart factory, these are the synonym to it. So this is not the, we can say, choice. Now this is the near about the mandatory steps for all the industries, manufacturing industries to sustain. So
Correct.
coming down to your question, see, when we talk about digital transformation and blending these with 4.0 technologies, so it's poised to redefine smart factory by seamless integration to have a efficiency, sustainability, and workforce environment. Now, when we talk about sustainability, so everyone is aware that this is the topic which is getting driven by board everywhere, but it's a must for everyone. So,
Correct.
coming down to how efficiency or in the operational excellence uh, will get or will drive by Industry 4.0 technologies. So, if you talk about the IoT, the Internet of Things, so all
Yes.
the connected devices in the industry, earlier what happened is that we don't know what is happening in a machine. But since from last 5 6 years, we are saying that people are going ahead with the various sensors and enable that to a real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and streamlining the operations. So so the result of these three things, when we say predictive maintenance, earlier we used to say there is a preventive maintenance. There is some plan and people are doing that. And in that also there are the issues. So this IoT gives you the help you to have a predictive maintenance, streamline the operations. For instance, IoT can minimize downtime by predicting equipment failures.
Correct. Yeah.
Earlier, people are doing preventive to maybe to minimize the downtime. But now,
Right.
by prediction, you are getting the edge to it. So that is the
Right.
one thing. Now, the other thing is AI and machine learning when we talk. So, AI algorithm that can analyze vast amount of data in a very brief time, very small time to optimize supply chain management, then improve quality and reduce waste, which is the driver we can say for anyone, because you know that now in nowadays it's a very competitive age. Everybody wants a product at a less cost, but the best efficiency or best product of it.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
how they can do and how your margin they can sustain. Organization can sustain the margin by giving this in a less cost. So here it
Right.
is. So AI powered system can adapt to change in demand. That is
Right.
the basic thing here, and ensuring minimal overproduction or resource use. Because when we say overproduction means what, we are blocking our capital. So
Correct.
here AI and machine learning will work. When we talk about robotics, now robotics, earlier we said the robots, now the terms come as a cobots. And it is getting used because it is working with the human, alongside with the human, various things that whatever human is doing, that maybe part of it we can give it to the cobots. So the same
Correct.
term robots, what we say, now it is
Yeah.
coming as a cobots and because now we need a multiple robots. So it comes
Right.
to cobots, which is again a cost effective, and it
So
has
the
got
word
a
cobots comes from like co-worker and robots. That's
correct. It
why
comes,
cobots.
yeah. That
Okay.
word has came from that. That is a it's a co-worker. Means for whatsoever
Correct.
worker is doing, it will be a one team they will do. We can say
Okay.
it's one team. And so
Yes.
it's a flexibility in manufacturing process we get.
You're right.
Now we turn down to the other point as sustainability when we talk. So in
Hmm.
sustainability, we know that first point we talk about the energy. So here
Hmm.
we get an energy optimization with the sensors monitoring energy consumption. This is a very basic, we can say the use case that people are using already this. So this is energy consumption we can have in real time, identify inefficiencies. But if we monitor, we can reduce the inefficiencies. So we say
Right.
that whatsoever is measurable can be improved, and
Right.
then suggest the way to reduce energy use without impacting production. That is
Hmm.
important here. Then we
Right.
talk about the waste reduction, which is
Hmm.
a big part of sustainability. So AI can predict needs with precision, minimizing scrap and surplus. So whenever we are doing something, so we have to minimize, we can minimize it, the scrap and surplus of the product, where
Right.
the other term is giveaway. So giveaway is reduced to it.
Right.
Then we talk about circular economy, which is very important. So smart factories can use AI to design product with end-to-end recycling in mind, because
Okay.
that algorithms are there.
Okay.
And again with this IoT can track the retrieval use of product for use of recycling.
Right.
The third
Right.
point what you are saying is about workforce empowerment.
Hmm.
Now here is very basic thing is your skill augmentation, which is very important. So
Hmm.
what AI and robotics as a together can do is they can make all your mundane tasks automatic. So allowing workers to focus on higher value activities like decision making or
Right.
innovation or problem solving. Because a mundane task can be taken care by AI with its robotics. So
Right. Right.
there's the
Absolutely.
skill augmentation I am talking about. Then I
Absolutely.
think upskilling is also very upskilling and reskilling is very important here. So
Hmm.
digital tools like AR, VR, training modules and AI-driven learning platforms for the workers are very much essential to get the new technologies fostering the culture of continuous learning, because that is very important. Then improve safety. In any manufacturing company, I think safety is a very imperative thing for them. So here
Right.
I have to enable variable monitor worker health and safety in real time. It is these cases are in use. I'm not talking will come. They are already in use. While
Okay.
robotics handle hazardous tasks, because we know that we may say by this wherever hazardous is there, the human can't go. We should not keep the human there now. Robotics can handle that and signal
Correct.
reducing workplace injuries. When there is no injuries in that, then no chance of it.
Right.
Similarly, we can say the balancing automation and human-centric design. This is a very important part for this. So, to truly empower the workforce, smart factories must prioritize human-centric design. That's what
Hmm.
is the point. What I feel here, which will
Okay.
give you the collaboration between both the things and balance the automation and human-centric design.
Right.
So, the crux of this is the future of smart factories lies in their ability to integrate this technology holistically, where sustainability isn't just a goal, but a core aspect of operations. Nowadays, we already talk. And then
Correct.
worker efficiency is already there. So these are my viewpoint on this particular topic.
Yeah, very well explained, Subhash. I mean, all aspects, at all aspects, how it is used. But
Yes,
did
yes,
you also see any challenges, in adopting these newer technologies?
yes, yes. There are. The thing is that, ma'am, for anything if you want to do, there
Hmm.
will be definitely challenges. And
Hmm.
here also the question what you asked for that if we talk. So 4.0 solution present transformative opportunities. What we talk, we can transform business, we can transform the way we do, correct? But organization face several challenges,
Hmm.
and because of that, this is slow progress. We can say we have seen that we were talking about this since from last, I think, not less than 5 years at least, where the speed has came up, but it's a slow because of the various challenges. So if we
Right.
talk about the key challenges, is first thing is the high initial investment cost. In this, what happens? There is cost is very high, and we are not clear about the ROI timelines. ROI is
Right.
there, everybody knows, but we
Right.
are not clear when we will get. Because the
Right.
implementation of IoT device, when we do our AI system or robotics, advanced technology requires significant upfront capital. And
Correct.
many businesses, I may say especially SMEs, struggle to justify the ROI without clear immediate benefit. Because
Right.
we are not clear. Nobody can say it's clear that we'll definitely get. Correct.
Right.
We know that benefits are there, but we can't say within 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and because of that we have to be very high cost. Then
Right.
legal, and the other major point what I've seen, legacy system and infrastructure. Now you see when we talk about the factories, so in factories there are various old systems are there, and else like our IT systems, there are some rules that we say that we'll change our laptops, desktops maybe after 4 year, 3 year, 5 year. These are the rules already in the various management industries. But for your shop floor, we have got machines which are older than 20 years, 30 years. So
Right.
legacy system integration with these new technologies is some complex and costly. There are the solutions, but it's complex and it is costly. That is the one thing. And upgrading legacy system while minimizing downtime is a significant concern, because if you want to change something, there is a big downtime, and also
Yeah.
the cost is very high. Because the machines
Absolutely.
are taken long back, which are working well. To change itself is a big thing. Third point, what I feel is your skill gap in workforce, because
Okay.
employee may lack the necessary skill to operate and maintain advanced technologies. It's not that easy to maintain. There are the ways, but it's not that easy. So they require the upskilling and reskilling for that. And
Right.
then the other point I feel is of the fourth point is cybersecurity risk. As
Okay.
more devices, this is very paramount. But when more devices are connecting in the network, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches increases, particularly in critical manufacturing environment. Earlier, all these things, what we talk about smart factory, they were having, but it was in a one compartment, and they are not. IT OT converge was not there. But if you want to go for a smart factory, IT OT converge is required, and we are exposing our data. So at that
Right.
time, cybersecurity is a big thing.
Right.
Then it's very one thing what I heard is very thing, and what I experienced also, data overload and management. When we say
Okay.
multiple IoT devices we are given, data will come, massive data will come, but the use of that data or analyze that data is again a challenge.
Right.
Means there are the ways, but it's a challenge. We have to do what we want to do. Data sufficiency is also one part. Means data overload is there, but in that all data you don't have a specific data maybe. So data sufficiency is also a challenge, and data overload is also one of the challenge. And then we
Right.
talk about majorly about change management because of culture. What culture is there with the organization? To cut short some of the things now what we talked earlier, so we have to see what are the strategies in your second part of question, how to
Right.
strategize this particular thing.
Yes.
So I think that every organization should start small with pilot project, so that they will understand what is there, showcase something. Another
Yes.
point we use in our organization is that put some money, get from there, and then invest the same money what you are getting, same fund what you are getting for next advancement.
Correct.
So that
Correct.
way you will get a good, we can say the management approval for these things,
Yeah.
and then adopt.
Without too
But
much risk involved in in the investment.
yes, but at the same time adopt scalable solutions. So see, the two things are very important. I say start small project, pilot project, but check that it's a scalable. So adopt scalable solutions, so that
Correct.
once you are okay with the one particular POC, then you have to scale that to various functions, various plants, and various locations. Then
Right.
one major thing people are not doing, what I feel is that about the workforce training and change management, which is very important. We have to train the workforce that we
Yes.
are bringing something new and you have to do this thing. Upskill them. Use the technology VR, AR.
Yes.
Use that technology. That is not that costly nowadays. Do that. And then the fourth point, what we talk about cybersecurity, prioritize cybersecurity because we can't say there is some issues are there, so we will not go. Cybersecurity will remain. This challenge will remain with everyone, but we have to make ourselves resilient to it. So integrate robust cybersecurity measure so that your all endpoints, data encryption, regular audits should be done, so that whatsoever is there, you are safe. That is the thing. And then for the data, you have to use the leverage data analytics and AI. If you do that, I think this will give you the best part. And also the last thing is your culture, which is very important. So this type of project should go top down approach and encourage leadership to model forward thinking, innovation focused and mindset. If we do this, so I think definitely this particular thing, what we digital transformation we say, is an enabler for organization for that,
Right.
and which is aligned, and it will definitely give you the benefit. That's my say to this.
Absolutely. Totally agree, Subhash. And so I think great insight, Subhash. Thank you so much. You know, and it's like really insightful to know how Industry 4.0 and its role is creating, smart and sustainable factories. So thank you so much for your time and your valuable perspective, Subhash. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Radhika, and I'm always available if you want. We can, because I love to share, because I know that when I share, first thing I learn from various things, and whenever I want to share, first I read something on that. So by this way, I get various knowledge to it. That's my viewpoint. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. It was great talking to you, Subhash, and thank you so much. And I definitely look forward to connecting with you again.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye.